Suan, the Good Guesser by Macaria Garcia.
And now, let us know the element of the story. The theme. The theme of the story is the power of intelligence, wit, and cunning in achieving success and recognition.
Plot. The plot revolves around Suan's cleverness and his ability to solve problems and overcome challenges. Character. Suan is the main character, described as clever, sharp-witted, and cunning. He is resourceful and able to think on his feet. The two Datu. The first Datu is the one who offered his daughter's hand to Suan, and the other one who challenged him to guess the seeds. Setting. The story is set in a rural or village setting, likely in Pampanga, Philippines, giving mention of the Pampangans. Point of view. The story is told in a third-person point of view, with an outside narrator describing Suan's action and thoughts. Character description. Suan is described as clever and sharp-witted, cunning and resourceful, able to think on his feet, confident and boastful at times, loyal to his mother and committed to his relationship. And Datu one, or the one who has a daughter, described as rich, boastful, honest, keeps his words. Datu two described as the arrogant, gambler, and rich.
This is the summary of the story of the Suan the Good Guesser, narrated by Macaria Garcia. Suan the Good Guesser is a story about a sharp-witted and clever boy. At a young age, instead of going to school, he instead observed his mother at the treetops. When his mother came home, he told her what he had observed, and his mother had concluded that he was a diviner. The story goes on about how Suan's luck and skills help him solve problems handed to him. The first was finding the Datu's ring, which he had by pointing at each soldier and saying that the ring was with them and no one else. The guilty soldier went to Suan that night and confessed that he will give him the ring for safe passage. There are other tests that the Datu has provided Suan, and with each he used his own ingenuity to provide himself. Suan's not a diviner, but Suan's the wise guesser.
There are additional informations about the story.
The story begins by presenting the challenge, which is the loss of the Datu's daughter ring. This set the stage for a conflict, as the Datu promises to give his daughter in marriage to anyone who retrieves it. The climax revolves around Suan's clever plan to find the ring. He uses his observation skills to identify the thief among the Datu's soldiers in the search operation. After that, one of the soldiers came to Suan and gave the ring to him and present the Datu with the ring found inside the turkey, securing the princess' hand in marriage. The resolution involves two separate challenges presented as a bet to test Suan's skill. The first bet involves correctly guessing the number of seeds in an orange, which Suan solved through clever observation. The second bet involves determining the contents of a golden ball, which Suan solves through a quick thinking and a bit of luck. Both bets resolve Suan's favor, solidifying his reputation and demonstrating his exceptional problem-solving abilities. Suan is described as a clever, sharp-witted boy. From the market, he told everything he knew about what his mother bought, and in that moment, his mother was amazed by the skill of his son, seeing him as a diviner. Suan is characterized by his exceptional intelligence, quick thinking, and resourcefulness. He is not just clever, but he demonstrates a profound ability to observe and solve complex problems under pressure. The narrative suggests that Suan possesses a sharp mind and unwavering confidence in his ability, which allow him to overcome significant challenges and achieve success. His actions highlight the importance of resourcefulness, quick thinking, and insightful observation and problem solving. A synopsis of Macaria Garcia. She was born on May 10, 1914 in Apalit, Pampanga, Philippines. Her mother is Maria Roman Garcia while her father is Eugenio Lumba. In August 27, 1954, she passed away at the age of 40. Macaria wrote the Pampangan folktale Suan the Good Guesser to entertain through a captivating narrative that showcases cultural tradition, suspense, and clever problem-solving create a compelling example of traditional Filipino storytelling. The story uses Suan's wit and resourcefulness to highlight admirable qualities that easily commenting on social dynamics and the struggle of the lower class.